Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English podcast for beginners. I'm Sarah, and as always, I'm here with the one and only Eddie.
Hello friends, it feels so good to be back. And wow, we got such an amazing response to episode 1. Thank you to everyone who practiced with us.
Yes, you guys were awesome. We loved seeing your sentences with eventually. Now today's episode is going to be super practical.
We're talking about something many learners feel nervous about.
That is talking to strangers
in English.
Let me ask you this. Have you ever avoided a conversation just because you didn't know how to start it?
Yup, been there. It's totally normal. But guess what? Today we're going to give you 3 simple phrases that can help you start a conversation confidently. Phrase 1. Hi, is this seat taken?
Let's say you're at a cafe or on a bus and you see an empty seat. Instead of staying silent, you can say,
Hi, is this seat taken? It's polite, it's simple, and it opens the door to a friendly chat. Try it with us. Say it out loud. Hi, is this seat taken?
Phrase 2. Hi, I'm learning English. Do you mind if I practice with you? Sarah. This one's my favorite. It's honest, and people usually love helping learners.
Exactly. Hi, I'm learning English. Do you mind if I practice with you?
It shows confidence and humility. Repeat after us slowly.
Hi,
I'm learning English. Do you mind if I practice with you?
Phrase 3. Nice weather today, right? Ah, yes. The good old weather conversation. It works almost anywhere.
It's small talk, but it builds connection. Nice weather today, right? Super easy.
And if the person smiles or nods, you're in. You can follow up with a smile or ask where they're from.
Okay, quick challenge. We want you to choose your favorite phrase from today and say it out loud.
You can even pause this podcast, say it to your mirror or to a friend.
Or better, leave a comment saying, I practiced this today, insert phrase. We'd love to see it.
All right, time for our mistake of the day. Some beginners say, can I do talking with you?
That is not correct.
The better way to say that is, can I talk to you? Or can I speak with you?
Simple fix, big improvement.
Let me remind you, friend, every time you speak, even one sentence, you're growing. It's not about perfection, it's about progress.
You're doing something many people are too afraid to try. Learning a new language is powerful, so be proud of yourself. Seriously. Let's do a quick recap. Phrase 1. Hi, is this seat taken? Phrase 2. I'm learning English. Can I practice with you? Phrase 3. Nice weather today, right?
And remember, today's mistake. Do talking, instead, say talk to or speak with.
Here's what we want you to do. Choose one phrase from today. Practice it out loud. Comment it in comment box.
And don't forget, next week, we're diving into the top 5 daily use English sentences you can use every day, from home to shopping to work.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling. And remember, every word you learn is a step closer to confidence. See you in episode 3, friends. Take care and speak boldly.